The collet is a type of chuck that holds the router bit in your router. It works with a collet nut and a taper that is milled into the router shaft. As the nut pulls the collet into the shaft, the taper squeezes the collet tightly around the router bit. The collet can be damaged by rust. If it isn't tightened enough, it can allow the bit to slip, which will wear the collet. Replacing the collet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Now I can remove the collet from the spindle. The collet is held to the nut by a retaining ring, and I'll go ahead and remove it. I'll use a pair of retaining ring pliers to remove it. Now I can install the new collet. I'll place the nut over the top of the collet and secure it with the retaining ring. Now I'll place the collet back onto the spindle and replace the base. And that's how easy it is to install a new 1/4-inch collet on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.